Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, 2014. It's now 2:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets all closed down, but this really only happened in the last couple hours of trading. The S&P closed down. Price is at the bottom of the medium-term uptrend channel, and it continues to challenge the bottom of this channel. A break will cause us to revert to the long-term uptrend channel. Resistance is at 1992. This is a Fibonacci 127% extension level. Support is at 1891 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ also closed down. The next higher target is 40.28. Price remains in the medium-term uptrend channel. The US dollar closed up with a firm break of the 55-day Donchian channel. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval. Our next target is resistance at 21.96. This is seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, July 29th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Aussie dollar Swiss franc, the Aussie New Zealand dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc, and the New Zealand US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for July. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today, and we'll discuss the reasons why when we look at the price charts. We'll first look at the daily price charts for 4 qualified pairs. The first pair is the Aussie dollar Swiss franc. This has been in a long-term uptrend channel. This would be a bullish trade. However, our entry price would be over 50 pips away from the current price. Our ATR is only 44 pips. The second pair is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Price had been going sideways. This would be a bullish trade, but presently the price is at the top of this sideways channel. The third pair is the US dollar Swiss franc. This has been in a medium-term uptrend channel, and we would be looking at a bullish trade. If this pair were to consolidate for a couple of days, it might be a trade worth taking. However, the ATR is only 29 pips. Our last qualified pair is the New Zealand US dollar. Pricing had been moving sideways. We would be looking at a bearish trade. However, the price is approaching support at the 55-day Donchian channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in section 1, please continue listening to section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com, and you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for section 2. In section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.